All right, what's happening, everyone? It's Thursday night, and I thought I would do a quick video on how to do a Jupiter Talisman since Thursday is the day of Jupiter. And so, ideally, you want to do, if you're going to do a planetary talisman, today's example is Jupiter, you're going to want to do it started on the day of the planet and the hour of the planet. Now, this first machine is going to be the power supply, and I'm going to use this is the planetary seal for Jupiter. I got a picture of the planet Jupiter, and then a little magic square for Jupiter. And then the spirit that we're working with is Bathor. He's from the Orbital of Magic. He's an Olympic spirit. More or less, probably closer to like an angel than anything else. And I'll place this face down. And I have a lapis lazuli ring. Blue is the color for Jupiter. And it fits on my index finger. And your right index finger is also governed by Jupiter. Put that on the output plate. And of course, you're going to want to make sure your jewelry is spiritually cleansed and everything before you do it. And you're also going to want to be familiar with evocation when you're making a talisman. Now, the Olympic spirits come from this little grimoire right here, just a short little $5 grimoire called the Orbital of Magic, originally published in 1655. It's a Judeo-Christian grimoire, and it has the 7 planetary spirits, Olympic spirits, and this is Bathor right here. And yeah, they're closer to angels than anything else, but they're probably not quite angels. But they're very benevolent, and they work reasonably fast for celestial spirits. And so this one's gonna be the power supply. Like I said, I got the seal, the magic square, and a picture of the planet Jupiter. I'm gonna dial your rate. Or if you guys want to get a stick, dial rate. Turn them on. I don't actually have this one plugged in right now. I just had the one plugged in because I'm just doing a demonstration anyway. So just pretend this one's plugged in. And I would usually, if I'm going to make a planetary talisman, I would start, of course, do the evocation, everything on the day and the hour of the planet, dial your rate within that time. And then if you're going to let it go for a week or 2 weeks, I always stop it also on the day and hour of the planet if I'm making a talisman, and then I'll lock it in. And so these right here are some of the Jupiter talismans that I made last time. These are actually called my Super Jupiter talismans. And this one is for, I just leave it on my money altar. And this one I just wear around. But this one I used like 7 machines, all daisy chained together. And the first one I did just like this. That was the battery. And then the second machine was Sakiel, the planetary angel of Jupiter. The third machine was Hismael. The fourth machine was Jophiel. And these are the intelligence and spirit of the planet Jupiter. Next machine was Bathor, and then Zeus. And I programmed it for about 2 weeks because I like to get a nice strong charge, make sure it's through pretty much every molecule in the item. And then I locked it in. And so I like these a lot. But this one was just for the demonstration. I just thought I'd keep it really simple. And most people don't have like 5, 6, 7 machines and to be that excessive. And if you don't, that's fine. If you only have one, you could just dial everything on the one machine. That'd be fine. There's no problem with that. And Or you could even, if you're going to use multiple, if you're going to do like the Super Jupiter thing, but you still only have one machine, you can just program uh, each week different spirits and then lock it in each week. Lock it in, lock it in, lock it in. And my next video, I'll probably do it right after this one. I'll show you guys how I lock in my program and go into detail about that and how I learned about it. So I hope you all have a lovely night, and I wish you all the best on your magical journey.